If you're seeing Telegram API error 400, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to troubleshoot it step by step so you can get back to using Telegram as fast as possible. This kind of error can happen for a few different reasons, and the fix is usually simpler than it looks. We'll check whether Telegram is actually down, wait out any temporary service issues, and then clear your local DNS cache to make sure your device is connecting properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for "Is Telegram down?" This is the fastest way to check whether the problem is on your side or if Telegram is having a broader outage. Sometimes the API can return errors when Telegram servers are under heavy load, undergoing maintenance, or experiencing regional disruptions. If Telegram is down globally, there's nothing wrong with your device, and the best move is simply to wait. To confirm the issue, visit a service status tracker like DownDetector and search for Telegram. Look at the outage reports, the live graph, and the recent comments from other users. If you see a sudden spike in reports, that's a strong sign the problem is coming from Telegram itself. In that case, you don't need to keep changing settings on your device. Just give it a few minutes and try again later. If Telegram appears to be unstable, wait it out for a little while. A lot of API-related errors happen during peak traffic or temporary maintenance windows, and they often resolve automatically once the servers recover. Refreshing over and over usually won't help if the issue is on Telegram's end, so patience can save you time. Now let's move on to a fix you can do on your own device. The next step is to flush your local DNS cache. DNS stores routing information that helps your computer connect to websites and services, but if that data becomes outdated or corrupted, it can interfere with how Telegram connects to its servers. Clearing it forces your system to request fresh network information. On Windows, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close Command Prompt and try Telegram again. If you're using Telegram in a browser, refresh the page and sign in again if needed. If you're using the desktop app or mobile app, fully close it and reopen it so it reconnects with the refreshed network data. In many cases, this is enough to clear the error and restore normal access. If the error still appears, the issue may simply be temporary on Telegram's side, so try again after a short wait. You can also test your internet connection, switch networks, or restart your device if needed. But in most situations, checking the Telegram status, waiting for the outage to pass, and flushing DNS will solve the problem. And that's it. You now know how to fix Telegram API error 400 with a simple troubleshooting process that covers both service-side issues and local network issues. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.